Hello friends, with this video we are starting with revision series, and in the revision series we are starting with valuation of supply, and I have chosen this simple example. Okay, and this example has been copied from this book, Goods and Services Tax 2, which is my book. Okay, I am the author, and because I am the Kindle member, it is showing 0 for Kindle edition. And if you want to purchase it is available for 118 rupees, that is 100 plus GST. Okay, now let me read the question. A dealer from Mumbai named Tikku Technologies entered in contract with supplier in Mysore named Tama Enterprises. What can we understand? This is interstate transaction. Good is traveling from Mysore to Mumbai, because see, supplier in Mysore. From Mysore to Mumbai, this is the way good is transferring. And what is that good? To deliver a machinery along with essentials and services. So it is the machinery, it is capital good. Okay, and some essentials are there, some accessories are there, and then some services. Okay, these services may not be included in the price. Let us read the question. Price of machinery, which is cum tax means included tax. Okay, and if it is X tax, it is excluded, right? I will just write it here for your understanding. Cum tax price means tax is included in the price. X tax means tax is excluded. Tax is excluded in the price. I want you to write this if you do not understand from the cum tax or X tax meaning. Cum tax or X tax. This is cum tax. I have already copied the question here to save your time. Okay. Pause this video, write this somewhere in the notes. This is important. Okay, let me read the question again. This is cum tax price 6,30,000. It means this 30,000 extra is included. I can easily understand if the rate is 5%. GST rate on machinery is 5%. Yes. Installation charges shown separately in the invoice. Why it is shown separately? Because it is service installation charges, right? And all other things can be included in the price of machinery or not. Okay, there are some extra things. Packing charges, packing is also a service, and then design and engineering charges, cost of material supplied by the buyer, that is for the free of charge, it is also included. And then pre-delivery inspection charges, this is service, and loading and handling charges within factory, this is service. So all these things we have to include. There is no such thing which has to be excluded. That is why I said this is very simple example. Other information have been given. Cash discount of 2% on price of machinery was allowed as per terms of contract. So it means cash discount of 2% on price of machinery is included. And we know that cash discount is in the exclusion column. The full payment was received in advance. Yes. Brought out accessories applied with machinery was valued at rupees, how much? 5,000 rupees. So this is extra thing which is not given here. And GST on this is 5%. GST rate on machinery is 5%. It means for accessories also 5%, on machinery also 5%. We need not calculate it separately. Make suitable assumptions as required and calculate the value of supply of good and GST payable on it. This is what we have to do. Okay, this is question which is given. I have already copied the question as we have seen. Okay, and this is the other information which is already given. Now let us start calculating that. First thing, price of machinery, which is given as the cum tax amount. How much is it? It is 6,30,000, right? Now less tax included in the price. Now how do we calculate this? I have given here formula. Formula for come tax price to deduct tax is given here. Amount included, how do you calculate this amount included? Amount into rate divided by 100 plus rate. This is the formula which is given. I will just use that formula here. What is the amount? Amount is 6,30,000 into 5, because 5% is the GST rate, right? 5% is GST rate, divided by 100 plus rate. 100 plus rate means 105. 100 plus 5. This will give me 30,000. I will just press enter. This will give me 30,000, right? Some mistakes what students do, I will just show you here. Okay, what students do is that 6,30,000 they just calculate. Okay, 6,30,000 divided by rate, they take 5%. What happens here? I will show 5%. They take 5% here divided by 105. This is what simple mistake they do. Okay, this is into. Okay, into it is multiplication sign. Simple mistake they do, and they will get different answer. See, 300, they will get different answer. You should not do this mistake. It is rate means you just have to take that 5, not 100%, because already 100 is at the denominator side. I hope you are understanding this. Okay, I will delete it and then calculate price of machinery. This is X duty price. X duty. X duty means X tax. X duty or X tax both are same. X duty, that is what I will just write here. It is 6,30,000 minus 30,000. It is 6 lakh rupees, right? Next, inclusions. Inclusions, we have to add this all, right? Add inclusions. What are the inclusions? What are those things we have to add? See, price of machinery, leave it. Installation charges we have to add, packing charges, design and engineering, cost of materials, pre-delivery and loading and handling charges. All these things we have to add, right? So what I will do is that I will just copy all this with amount and paste it there, paste it here, because I can save some time. I will delete this, not required now. And look at other information. Is there anything which I have to add? Cash discount we have to deduct, brought out accessories we have to add. Okay, bought out or brought out, I can use both. Bought out means this is the past tense of buy, right? Bought out, because he is purchasing it, I am just writing it. Bought out accessories is for 5,000 rupees, right? 5,000 rupees. Now look at this bought out accessories. This is the GST rate they have given. GST on machinery 5% is given, so make suitable. There is no more addition we have to take. Now what I will do is that I will have to sum all these things. Okay, that is 52,200. Now I will just write here total of 6 lakh plus 52,200. It is 6,52,200. Now I will go for exclusions. And what I have to do with these exclusions? Less, I have to deduct this all, right? So what am I deducting? We have added everything here. Cash discount we have to deduct. Cash discount we have to deduct, and we have to calculate this cash discount at 2%, right? I'm sorry, at 2% on price of machine. We have to calculate that 2% here. Now what is the price of machine? Is it 6,30,000? No. What is the price of machine? This is the price of machine, 6 lakh. Understanding? So 6 lakh into 2%, 2 divided by 100. This is what I will do, and it will give me 12,000 rupees. This has to be deducted from this amount. Understanding? Because it is just total, right? So is there any other deductions? GST on machine is given, GST on accessories is given. I am not just calculating it. Okay, there is no other deductions which are given. So total transaction value, value of the machine is how much? Is equal to 6,52,000 minus 12,000. It is 6,40,200. This is what we have got. I will just pull this so that I can understand, right? So now what I will have to do is that calculation of GST payable. Calculation of GST payable. This is what I will have to do. GST on machine is 5%. Brought out accessory is 5%. See, brought out accessories is already included in this 6,40,000, right? So I will directly calculate 5% on which we have already deducted here, right? We have to add it back again, because see, why do we have to deduct here and add it back here is that, see, this information 2% on price of machine, we are calculating this on the percentage value, right? And we just cannot keep it here. We have to deduct that first. Now calculation of GST payable. Now what kind of GST is applicable here? From Mumbai to Mysore it has gone, right? It means it is IGST. IGST on machine at 5% is equal to how much? 6,40,000. I will just write here the formula. 6,40,000 into 5 divided by 100. So 32,010 rupee is the IGST payable on machine, including the brought out accessories, that is 5%. Because 5%, this 5,000 is already included here, so 5% is already calculated on 5,000 here, right? So that's all about this question. I will just have to make this change. GST payable. Even for this, I will make the same formatting. Fine. This has to be bold. This is done. You have to write notes for this question. Note can be this. Notes. First note, you write a formula, and then second note, you can write anything like brought out accessories is already included here, right? Second note, I will just write that here. Second note, note number 2, bought out. Third point, you can write IGST is applicable as it is interstate. I will just put hyphen here, interstate transaction, right? So this is your 100% answer we have solved. This question can be asked for 15 marks directly. And how it is bifurcated? It is bifurcated on this. See, 5 marks here, 2 marks here, 3 marks here for the notes. This can be done. This question can be asked for 15 marks. Just copy down this, friends. If you have any clarifications or doubts, you can just ask. Pause this video. See you in next video. We will solve another simple question. Thank you.